Hello everybody, so in today's tutorial we're going to cover how to create a child theme. Now first of all, why should you use a child theme? The first reason is that it prevents loss of modifications when an update is deployed for the main theme. So what that means is that you may have a theme, you've made all kinds of modifications, your template's looking awesome, and then the main theme gets updated. What that does is all the modifications you've done now get overwritten and you have to start from scratch. Using a child theme prevents that from happening. The second reason is that it speeds up your development time considerably. So if you're building a new website, you don't have to build it from scratch every single time. All you need to do is find a theme that is close to what you want it to be, and then just make your modifications on a child theme safely and securely. And it's also a great way to learn about theme development. I mean, you're starting to do some coding with CSS, and you may even be using some PHP coding. So it's a great way to learn. Now, how do we create a child theme? Well, the first thing to do is to create a child theme directory. To do that, we need to go into our a folder called WP content. And you may need FTP access, so actually you will need FTP access to upload this file, but in any case, you need to make your way to a folder called WP content, and it's then when you get there, you open that folder, you will see a bunch of other folders. The one we're looking for is the folder called themes, and what we're going to be doing today is creating a child theme for the theme called 2015. So what we do is just click on this and create a new folder, and we're going to name it as follows: 2015-child. You should normally try to name it after the parent account and just add a child to the end. And now let's open that folder. And inside that folder we have to do a couple of things. We have to create two files. The first file we're going to create is called style.css, and the second file we're going to create is called functions.php. So let's go ahead and do that now. So let's open our favorite text editing program, and we'll create those two files. The first file we're going to create is called style.css. Okay, and then we're going to create a second file, and we're going to name that as functions.php. And now we have these two files created. So what we have to do at this point is put in some code. What we're going to put in the first file we're going to take care of is the style.css file, and the code we're going to put in there is as follows. We're going to put in this code here. So not all of these are required, but I usually use these, and in any case, the couple things that are required is anything that identifies your child theme. So the theme name 2015 child, that's the parent theme name. You need to put that in there. What are you going to call the child theme? It's usually 2015-child, or this name might be different depending on which theme you're using. And you can put the URI. If you're using one, just replace example.com with your URI. And the author, I put here WP Basics. You could put whatever you want. And then just follow through these other little headings and insert the text as required. And don't worry about jotting all this down right now, because I'm going to put a copy of this on the description field so you can grab it from there. So that's the first thing we have to do inside the style.css. The second thing we have to do to get the child theme to work is go into our functions.php file and put some code there. And the code we're going to put is as follows. So here's the code we're going to put in there. This code basically is telling WordPress to take the style sheet from the parent theme and use it unless it is written by here. So if it'll pull in the code, but any code that you put in here will override the parent code, the parent styles. So once you have this, your child theme is ready to begin to be edited. So let's go ahead and have a look here at our dashboard. As you can see, let's refresh it. 2015 child theme now appears there. So let's go ahead and click on it to activate it. The child theme is now activated. We are now ready to make any modification we want to the website. And just before I show you a sample modification, I'm going to just go over one little note. It used to be before, in the old days, that actually not so far long ago, that in order to use a child theme, you didn't need this functions PHP file. All you would have to do is create this style.css file and put in this code. And by using @import URL and then naming it whatever child theme you're using, in this case 2015, that would pull in the styles from the parent theme. But WordPress is recommending not to do that anymore. They're actually recommending the functions PHP file system, the way I've shown you. So that's why I haven't shown you that. So if you've seen it the other way, that was a way that it used to be done, but WordPress is, for best practice, is asking not to do that anymore. So we're showing you this way. Now let's go back to our dashboard. Let's say we wanted to make some simple modifications. Just an example. Let's say we went to our website and we didn't like this color. Let's say we wanted it to be red. I mean, red's not going to look any good, but it's just for demonstration purposes, and we wanted to change that. Now that we have the child theme up, it's very easy to do that. All you have to do is go into the style.css file, type in body, then put these tags in there, and then let's say background color, and then let's say red. Now let's save it. Now we go back to our website here, hit refresh, and we've changed it to red. It's that easy to make any modifications you want now that you have the child theme. And if you wanted to change it, let's say we wanted to change that to blue, okay, save it, we go back again to our page, refresh it, and now it's blue. I'm going to create other tutorials that show you exactly how to change anything you want anywhere on your website, but for this, that's all we're going to do today. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.